What type of treatment did you have done at Winterset?
I had a permanent denture put in on the lower jaw, and that involved putting implants in. That's why they're called permanent dentures. And it was interesting. It was an interesting experience.
And how was your experience at Winterset Dental?
I had a really a great time. Now, no one has a great time at a dentist, I know that, but I expected it to be much more painful, at least for a while, and it wasn't. I didn't experience that much pain at all. You do on the first day a little bit when you go home. You know you're sore, but I was given some pills to take, and I took them, and I was fine. I was just fine. It was really good, and during the surgery, I mean, they kept on telling me what was going on, if I was all right. At times, I just wanted to close my eyes and just, "Are you all right? Are you all right?" Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. It was really, I felt it was just a safe experience. They took good care of me. They really did.
Would you recommend Dr. Agarwal to your friends and family?
Oh yes, I already have. I already have recommended them to my friends and my family. My sister, I keep telling Dr. Agarwal about my sister that she has the same problem with teeth that I did. And I told her about him, how gentle he was and how he explains everything. And I was impressed by his background. That's one reason I came to Dr. Agarwal. He had a brochure and that explained to me his background. He was at Northwestern teaching, and hey, it doesn't get much better than that.
When presented the finances, was everything explained thoroughly to you?
Yes, Cindy explained everything to me. And we talked about it, and I asked her different ways to pay and what would happen, and she explained it all to me. And she said I could call them anytime, and I could. They themselves told me if I had any questions, I could call anytime I wanted to. It was fine.
Was your treatment explained thoroughly to you from the doctors and staff?
From the get-go, it was. They told me exactly what was happening all the while it was happening. That's what I meant when I said they kept asking me, "Are you all right? Are you all right?" And I said, "Yeah, I'm fine," when they would start doing these procedures. And I was fine. And they would tell me what they were doing then, and I had the wraparound X-ray, that goes around, and I asked him about the nerve in my jaw because I knew about that, and he explained that to me.
After going through treatment, would you do it all over again if you had to?
You bet I would. Yes, I would. I'd recommend Dr. Agarwal to anyone. I really would.